is that really possible? And we managed to sell it for a 40% profit.
Oh, amazing! So it is a failure, but a success.
Yeah, it's how you turn your failure into a success. If you want to achieve something, you just follow somebody that is already there. You need to educate yourself. You need to surround yourself with like-minded people. If I need time with the family, then I have it.
Welcome to Property Investing with Abi. On today's episode, I have the absolute pleasure of being with one of our Touchstone students. This is Iurie too.
Hello.
And we're just going to go back and we're going to have a little look at Iurie's story, how he got started in property, what are his highs and lows, and what tips has he got to give you guys to help you guys get started. So Iurie, take me back to the beginning.
It was 2019 when I joined Touchstone.
Wow.
So a good 3 years now.
Yeah.
I remember I sat in a room at one of Touchstone events in London.
Yeah.
And I was thinking, is that really possible? This is unreal, all the strategies and all the knowledge you were guys talking about. I have to be with these guys. It was many reasons, but one of the reasons is to change my strategy. I was doing flips in London, commercial property. This is the way to go forward. The very first deal was a commercial to residential conversion.
Oh wow, amazing!
2 buildings that were purchased at the auction, and we gained the planning permission to turn them into residential, and with the extensions we turned them into 2 3-bed bungalows.
Wow.
Yes, it was up in Staffordshire, which was unusual for me because I wouldn't have felt comfortable to go and invest in property outside London before. I didn't know the areas and all that, but with the knowledge and the network, obviously, yes, it made it possible.
And what did you do with the bungalows? Have you kept them?
No, we decided to sell them. Yes, we flipped them and we made a really good profit.
What would you say has been your biggest failure to date in property?
I purchased a piece of land in London Borough of Bromley to build a house for my family, as everybody else wants to do that.
Yeah, everyone wants to do that.
I purchased it at the auction as well, and we obviously I didn't realize you only have 4 weeks to complete, and I didn't realize that it was in a green belt. So yes, we've done the pre-planning permission. He was an amazing architect. But council said we don't feel like it. We placed it back in the auction, but with some hope value. So we utilized the drawings and the amazing design, and we managed to sell it for a 40% profit.
Oh, amazing! So it is a failure, but a success.
Yeah, it's how you turn your failure into a success.
So on the flip side of that then, what do you think's been your best property deal you've done?
The best property deal is probably this hotel that we're sitting in. Yeah, we put a lot of soul into the building, and to achieve obviously a great result and all the eco features. And we had a few commercial agents coming in, and they said they haven't seen anything like it in the area.
And if you guys haven't already, we've done a full YouTube showing this whole apart hotel, so go back and have a look at it. But just in a snapshot, this is a £2 million asset. It's gonna make around 140,000 net a year. Incredible, and it's all money out deal plus extra. If you're wanting to take the next step and you're wanting to get educated, come along to our 2-day seminar. And I can't tell you how good this 2-day is or why you should do it. Let's go over it. It's 2 full days with me and my team. We're going to take you through every property strategy, and we're going to help you build your wealth plan for 12 months. Now, this is either going to be 2 things you're going to do. You're going to come on the 2 days and go, this was absolutely amazing, I've got loads of knowledge, yes, I'm going to be a property investor. Or you're going to come on the 2 days and go, actually, no, I don't want to do any of it. It's too much hard work. I'm just going to go off and carry on being in the system and doing whatever I'm doing. So it's £99 for 2 days, because you will find out how you can earn £1 million tax-free. Did you know that? How your pension doesn't have to die with you. How you can use other people's money to invest in property. How you can use limited companies, LLPs, and how you can be so tax efficient, and how you can get started straight away. So click the link below and get your ticket to our Wealth Through Property event. £99. You hate it, don't worry, we'll refund you, but take action. Be part of the 1%, do something different. What's been the biggest change in your life before Touchstone and Property and then after?
I was a builder before Touchstone, and I had a buy-to-let property. I was doing a flip here and there. I was working very long hours.
Yeah.
And I thought, hang on a minute, this can't continue forever, because I don't see my family. We're getting older, and as soon as I stop, what do? You know, the money just go. So I need something long term. This is when I started researching, and I came across Touchstone YouTube channels, and I started to watch
Amazing.
YouTube.
And how have you done what you set out to achieve? Has property given you more time for your family?
Since I joined Touchstone, I went full time in property, so I can decide when and what to do. If I need time with the family, then I have it. It gave me more freedom and obviously more financial advantage to spend time and to go on holidays with family, and to educate my kids as well.
Yeah, which is really important, isn't it? One of the things that I know is really important to me is my kids don't end up just in the system. My kids end up and they understand how precious their time is, and that, you know, assets can pay what they need to instead of them physically working.
I have 2 kids, 23 boy and 18 girl.
Wow. Oh, lovely. So that's a great age to get to show them all of this and what Dad's doing.
Yeah, it's amazing, and they're very interested, and they follow my steps as well.
Any builders out there, any trades out there that look at this and going, actually, I would love to do what Iurie's done, what would you say to them?
You need to educate yourself.
Yeah.
You need to surround yourself with like-minded people. If you want to achieve something, you just follow somebody that is already there.
Yeah.
And that's the quickest and the cheapest way to do it, because you will pay for your mistakes.
So that's it for today's episode of Property Investing with Abi. If you want to find out more about Iurie and this beautiful apart hotel, click the link below. And if you haven't already, smash that bell and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Property Investing with Abi.